So in the agriculture process, land preparation process is the first process. So we have to prepare the land very properly. Then only the agriculture process will be carried out. So the land preparation process involves clearing of the existing crop. Already the harvest has been done, and some of the wastages has been settled down in the land, and we have to clear all the entire land from the previous harvest crops. Then we have to grow the land properly, and then we have to use proper fertilizers to enhance the soil nutrition. Then next, after preparing the land preparation process, then we have to go for the sowing process. Sowing is nothing but planting the seeds. After preparing the land preparation process also involves the preparation of the seed bed. So it may be also varying for the different types of rice, is what type of crop we are using. Based on that, the seed bed is also in the seed bed we have to plant the seeds. Uh, then we have to provide the irrigation program. Third step is irrigation process that we have to provide a proper irrigation process. So each and every crop has a different irrigation requirements, and based on the requirements, we have to provide the irrigation facility to the crops. Then during the during the growth of the crop, there may be some affect some of the process may be affect the crop growth. So we have to that is additionally some plants will be grow in and around the crop, and it may affect the crop growth. And we that growing the unwanted plants in the seed bed is known as the weeding process. So we have to remove the unwanted plants in the seed bed. So that process is known as the weeding process. And next one is during the plant growth. That is one of the weeding and pest control is one of the crop monitoring process. Each and every stage it is affected by certain pest and weeds. Okay, so we have to remove that. So this weeding is done periodically. Each and every day the crop periodically will be varying. So we have to monitor it periodically. Then pest control. So that is pesticides. That is pesticide. Pesticides we have to use for the at the setter stage during the seed growing stage to from the seed plant growing stage to then the entire harvesting process we have carried out the pest control process because crops are easily affected by the pest and it may affect the yield of the uh, yield of the crop. Then finally the harvesting process. What harvesting process? How to harvest the crops, grown crops. What is the process sector? We have to understand the process. We have to carry out. This is the harvesting process. Then final process is a major process. That is storage. So what type of storage is usually it is required. So whether it is required for a storage unit, what type of storage unit it is a normal storage room, it is a present cool temperature monitored rules like that. We have to classify and we have to understand. So this is a entire agriculture process should be understand before going into the precision agriculture process. So we have to understand what is the difference between the conventional agriculture process and the precision agriculture process. So how does the conventional agriculture process varies from precision agriculture process? What is the need of the precision agriculture from this scenario? So we have to understand the entire process of agriculture. Then only we have step into the precision agriculture process. So before that, we have to understand, moving into the precision agriculture process, we should understand what are the some common agriculture tools and machinery used in the agriculture process. So that common tools are plows, harrows, cultivators for the soil preparation process, and the seeders and planters for the sowing process, and sprinklers and drip systems for the irrigation systems, and hooves, sickles, and sticks for the weeding and harvesting, the tractors, combines, threshers, for plowing, sowing, and harvesting process, silos, granaries, and cold storage for the storage. These are the various equipments and machineries have been used for the agriculture process. So the major challenges facing in agriculture today is the climate change and extreme weather events, soil degradation and desertification, water scarcity and pollution, loss of biodiversity, pest, disease and weeds, increasing demand for food due to the population growth, volatile food prices and global trade issues, aging farmer population, and lack of youth interest in farming. So these are the challenges faced. So how these challenges can be overcome and how these tools can be used effectively in the process of agriculture. This can be done effectively by the precision agriculture process. So that is why we have to know about precision agriculture and we have to understand the precision agriculture process and we have to take step forward to the entering into the precision agriculture process. So to meet these demands, so for that we need a technology help and this how does the technology help has been listed here. Precision farming using GPS, sensors, and data analytics for optimized inputs. Crop tested and disease tested crops through genetic engineering. So precision farming process, which involves the advanced technologies like GPS and using various types of sensors required and data analytics for the optimized inputs. So this may provide a better farming process and also by genetic engineering process by using latest technologies genetic engineering process we can uh, prepare the crop resistance and distributed crops through the genetic engineering process. Then by using the automated machinery for effective planting, weeding, harvesting. So each and every time we depend upon the labor. So by reducing, we there is insufficient labor is aware. Insufficient of labor is um, in this process during the entire process of the agriculture. That will be there not will be a sufficient people is uh, there is a shortage of sufficient people. So we should be depend upon the automated machinery and vertical farming, hydroponics for the high yield agriculture. So vertical farming is not a modern trend process. Now it is famous in precision agriculture process. So in agriculture process, this vertical farming is another step. And drones for precision spraying, field monitoring, and data collection, and a blockchain for secure traceability and transparency in food supply chains. Then AI and machine learning for predictive analytics and decision support. These are the technologies has been supporting the agriculture process. In that, the precision agriculture is one of the advanced and technique, and we are step into the how the precision agriculture process carried out, and what are the components majorly used in the precision agriculture process. So that we are going to see in this chapter. So precision agriculture is one of the information technology related uh, process, and from that various why we rely on that various reasons. One is increasing productivity, and the second one is reducing labor cost. Third one is improving the resource efficiency and adapting to fourth one is adapting to climate change. Fifth one is enhancing food safety, attracting the younger generations. So next point, and reducing the physical strain is another point, and increasing the profitability of the major thing in the precision agriculture and enabling the precision farming. We can uh, use many storage of data, and from that data we can predict the yield and meeting the growing demand as the advantages of the precision farming process.